afternoon, everyone. I'm Michael Kim, the CEO of UDNS. Today, I'm here on behalf of our Thailand partner, New Trend Development. It's a great honor to share our technology with you, the valuable attendee here at International Conference on Highway Engineering. I'm very delighted to present onboard scaling technology in the field of transportation, safety and flight, vehicle management and load maintenance that are relative to load management in all countries. Today, first I will briefly introduce the global technological trend in the field of the off-roading management, and I will explain the details of our onboard scaling technologies, including monitoring off-roading vehicles and enforcement technologies. From now on, we will call on onboard scaling or onboard mass as OBM. Finally, a new research applying OBM suggested new possibilities in the field of truck safety. Recently, the global approach to managing or monitoring off-roading vehicles has shifted from traditional enforcement technology to advanced systems using high-speed weighing motion system and onboard weighing system called OBM. This change means moving away from old methods that need human involvement and disrupt traffic flow. Instead, we now use new technologies that monitor and manage flight vehicles continuously without stopping traffic. As shown in this diagram of the commercial vehicle management flow, this technology platform collects all vehicles' information using high-speed weighing and onboard scaling system. This technology not only prevents overloading, but also help create policies to reduce overload vehicles. It also provides important data for future load construction and maintenance planning. Let me briefly introduce our company. We are the only company in Korea that manufactures onboard weighing system and high-speed weighing motion system by ourselves. Recently, we have launched a product that automatically detects load damaging using AI technology by installing cameras and scanners on load patrol cars. All these technologies are new in innovation certified by Korean government. Especially today, I'll introduce OBM technology that measures the weight from sensors installed on trucks. The technology I will introduce today is an onboard scaling system, OBM, that allows the driver to directly check the weight of trucks. This technology I would like to introduce involved installing sensors on each axle of a flight vehicle, allowing drivers to use their smartphone to check the axle weight and the total weight of their own truck. Drivers can prevent overloading during the loading stage by monitoring the weight of their trucks. This technology is particularly useful for preventing overloading in challenging and harsh loading environments, such as a dump truck. Well, predicting weight of material like soil can be difficult. Furthermore, logistics manager can remotely monitor the weight and location of all vehicles they oversee. I made a video to make it easier to understand what I've explained so far. Let me explain that you watched it together. Until now, drivers would take a long way around they were concerned about overloading to avoid being fined. Yellow line is detour route. However, vehicles that have sensors for OBM installed on the leaf spring of each wheel's suspension can control the overloading during the loading process. Every leaf spring changes the angle by loading. Vehicles equipped with the OBM and the GPS can send the real-time weight and location data to the control center, allowing for the management of the transport information for many vehicles at once. Drivers easily check their own weight. Sometimes they stop the loading because they prevent the overloading. The monitoring platform can check every vehicle's information of the real-time weight and location. This data can used statistically. Sometimes vehicles transporting the polluted wastewater can be monitored the illegal dumping using OBM and GPS. Our OBM technology is implemented without easy to install inclinometer sensor designed to achieve overall prevention and monitoring purpose. These sensors are small, lightweight, and highly accurate, making them easy for anyone to install. We have designed highly durable packaging considering the operation environment of trucks. The measurement principle of this sensor is to measure the angle change based on the load weight of the truck's leaf spring suspension system. Since most vehicles in Korea adopt the leaf spring suspension system, this technology is particularly useful. Of course, for vehicles equipped with the air suspension system, in this case we've used the pressure sensor, can also be used for measurements. The smartphone application provided to drivers and installation technicians easily connected to measurement device via Bluetooth. Without this application, a user can connect a sensor to the screen, suspension system of their own vehicles and easily calibrate it to fit their vehicle. To obtain the correct coefficient between the angle change of the spin and the actual weight, measurement of the empty vehicle weight and the full loaded weight are required because we need a 2-point. If you wanted to prevent a driver from modifying the entered value, saved value, a secure resetting can be configured in the administered mode. Cargo Vehicle Manager can monitor the real-time weight and location of all vehicles through a web platform. Since the operation information of a registered vehicle is stored here, it can be utilized for various statistical purposes. In order to plan for load construction and maintenance, the number of passing flight vehicles, that is the cumulative traffic load on the load pavement, is very important. And this system provides this information statistically. Ensure reliability and validations is essential for all sensor technologies. We have conducted all tests for the accuracy, durability, and other factors according to the standard required by international vehicle industry and have received certification based on these standards. And we plan to apply for OBM type approval and receive the certification from TCA of Australia this year. Based on these internationally recognized proposed tests, we have received the certification for outstanding technology in Korea. According to the performance test result from the Korea Automotive Research Institute, the accuracy guarantees an error within the 3% of the total weight. But we are working to develop the continuously accuracy improvement algorithm to ensure a weight error of less than 2% under ideal circumstances. The weight and location information of the cargo vehicle we provide can also be assessed in real time through the cloud server. Efficient logistics management help optimize routes and enable the transportation of maximum cargo weight. At times, it can be beneficial for controlling special cargo that need management, such as preventing illegal dumping or thieves, sometimes to thief inside the cabin, inside the cargo. Here, we can show that a special case of cargo management operated by Ministry of Environment in Korea. In Korea, to prevent environmental pollution, particularly from livestock manure and contaminated water, designated vehicles are assigned for the transportation. Since 2015, special regulations have been enacted to manage such waste, require the mandatory installation of the weight measurement sensors on designated vehicles. So far, weight measurement sensors have been installed on 2,293 vehicles, allowing real-time monitoring of the weight and location. This system is widely recognized as effective technology for preventing illegal dumping of waste and protecting the environment. We manage the information about the transportation company as well as the registered cargo vehicle that transport waste. The information in the red box displays real-time weight data and the timestamps obtained from the cargo vehicles. According to the graph, this vehicle transported approximately 5 tons of waste 7 times. Below the map displays the transportation route with a different colored line, allowing to see where the waste was disposed of. This OBM technology can be widely utilized not only for the cargo regulation but also to prevent overloading of the special load. This technology is also valuable for the monitor the dynamic stability of the autonomous cargo vehicles, which have been subjected to the extensive research recently. The dynamic rating of change the cargo vehicle during the operation can be utilized for the various purposes in assessing vehicle safety. Here the braking distance of cargo, good example, varies significantly depending on the load weight it carried. If actual distance, the braking distance measure based on the load weight are accumulated for the numerous type of vehicle, more accurate braking distance could predict using AI become possible. Thank you for allowing me to introduce the technology of the OBM in Korea, Road Transportation Center. If you have any question or feedback, please feel free to reach out to us via email. And please find the M5 booth and find the LED model, trunk model also. Thank you again.